Hello guys, today I am going to attempt to survive tornadoes once again. Last time it didn't really go to plan. Woo! I am so excited because I'm going to win! Ooh, ancient ruins. We like ancient ruins. Alright, we made it. Bombs away? Does every Tornado Alley Ultimate video always have to start with bombs away? Well, we're starting with the big one. Dude, where is it? Bro, where is it?
Where's the bar? Where is it at? Bro, where is it?
There it is. Bro, another one! And the tornado is pulling me in. Well, at least I'm not gonna die to this.
Bruh.
I believe I died. Bruh. It's so embarrassing. Oh, it's the blue one. Alright, it isn't a nuke, and the tornado is pulling me in once again. Bro, let me go! Let me go! Bro! Alright. Oh, and there's the big one. Good thing I'm not in the radius of it. What could... Are you kidding me? Okay, well, because of the bomb, I have low health. Good thing it didn't kill me. But, yeah. Oh, bro, there's another one? Alright, no, oh, great, the tornado's pulling me. Oh! Alright, what is the mode today? What is it? Hey, who is the orange guy? Alright, I just asked everyone who the orange guy is, so let's see who answers. Alright, where is it? Ew! Oh, that's disgusting. It looks like Nickelodeon slime. Hey, that guy looks nice. Hey, can I have a high five? Bro, leave me alone!
No!
Bro, the tornado got me. Bro, leave me alone! What did I ever do to you? No, bro, do not kill me, please! Alright, do not kill me, bro. And you had to break my bones? What did I ever do? Hurricane? What the heck? Hurricane Spooks!
Hey, when did I ever tell you you could shatter the window?
This is the best hurricane shelter ever. It's the orange guy again. Now's my chance. I just asked him. I am finally gonna know who the orange guy is. Alright guys, now I'm joined by my friend. Wait, why is he running? Dude, why is he running away from me? What the... Why is he running from me? Alright, we made it to Hawaii. What's the game mode? It's Jack! Dude, I love Hawaii. Whoa, I don't even have a gravity coil out. And now my leg is broken. Are you kidding me? Jack! Wait, Jack, why are you cursing me? Grown to a giant? You're gonna turn me into a giant? I'm huge now. Is that a bombs away bomb? Why does Jack have bombs? Bruh. Inside of this safe are all of my hopes and dreams. And if this curse is something that's gonna kill me, I'm getting rid of them. Finally! Jack, why would you kill me? I thought we were friends! So this list tells you how many people survived the tornado. My friend is on here. But I'm not! I hate this game.